Guangzhou MuYe.Outdoor Products Technology Company Limited stands as a distinguished industry leader specializing in the manufacturing of commercial, hotel, and glamping tents, catering to the evolving landscape of experiential vacation accommodations. Established within a spacious 10,000 square meter facility since 2022, we've rapidly ascended to the forefront of this niche. Our expansive product line enjoys a global footprint, reaching over 100 countries and regions spanning Europe, America, Canada, France, Spain, Mexico, Southeast Asia, Japan, South Korea, Arabia, Africa, and beyond. Dedicated to delivering comprehensive solutions, we offer end-to-end services encompassing planning, consulting, design, manufacturing, seamless installation, and dedicated after-sales support. Our commitment lies in providing clients with an all-encompassing, hassle-free experience, backed by advanced manufacturing machinery, including state-of-the-art CNC and laser cutting technologies. We ensure precision and efficiency in our production processes. Our seasoned team boasts extensive expertise, with over a decade dedicated to research, development, design, and successful sales endeavors. This expertise is channeled into continuous innovation and rigorous quality control, ensuring the production of superior-grade products. Our diverse range includes various commercial and glamping tents, event tents, wedding tents, safari tents, geodesic domes, and luxurious options crafted specifically for hotels and resorts. Embedded in our core business philosophy of high quality, innovation, and development, our unwavering commitment remains centered on surpassing customer expectations and fostering satisfaction through our exceptional products and services.